If you were looking at your life from the outside looking in, would you buy into your life? My family is currently preparing for a move across the country, and it's really interesting that when I walk through my front door, I'm now looking at my house through the eyes of a potential buyer. And when I'm doing this, I kind of am having this dual experience, right? Because part of me is seeing all of the things that I first fell in love with. I'm seeing the bonus room. I'm seeing the skylight. I'm seeing how the light comes through the living room windows. And also another part of me is looking for all of the flaws and realizing like, we haven't repaired that yet, or, we really need to repaint that. So kind of notice, what is it that you focus on, and what parts of your life might need a little bit of care and attention in order to make this something that you would buy into. Look at your life through the lens of a potential buyer. How's the foundation? What does that look like? Are there cracks that need to be repaired? Do you maybe need a fresh coat of paint in some part of your life? How are you doing physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, relationally? Do you want to buy in to the current status of these parts of self? Look at your life and see if you would choose these things and buy into them on purpose. Every day you get to look at your life as a potential buyer and decide what it is that you want to choose to invest in on purpose. If you want to dive into this a little bit deeper, please come and listen to episode 48 on my podcast, Inner Work with Marianne Walker. I'll see you there.